So here is the question. So Gav can finish a project in 10 hours while Bernard can do the same project in 8 hours. So how long will it take them to finish the project together? So is it letter A 18 hours, letter B 4.44 hours, letter C 4 hours, or letter D 3.44 hours? Okay? So this is an example of work problems. Okay? At kapag work problems yung pinag-uusapan, papasok dito yung konsepto ng rate. Okay? Okay? So yung rate is equivalent or equals to 1 over time. Yung 1, it represents the whole work or task that is done by an individual. Okay? Siya yung whole task or work. While yung time, siya yung time takes the person to finish that particular task or job. Okay? So, pwede siyang in an hours, okay, days, okay, weeks, or months, and so on and so forth. Okay, so to understand better, let's have a practice exercises. So kuha tayo sa mga reviewers sa LET o kaya sa civil service na books. Okay, so I have here a book sa LET. Okay, so meron ditong work problem. Okay, so ito number 58. Yan. So Anna and Beth do a job together in 3 hours. Working alone, Anna does the job in 5 hours. How long will it take Beth to do the job alone? Okay? So, sinulat ko na siya. Okay. So, here's the problem. So, kapag magsosolve tayo ng isang particular work problem, so, okay? So, ganun pa rin. Yung first step natin is to represent. Okay? Sagutan muna natin siya using algebra. Okay? So, yung una-una nating step sa pag-solve ng work problem is represent. Mag-represent muna tayo. Okay, representation. Okay. So, ano yung tinatanong? How long will it take Beth to do the job alone? Okay. So, yung mga given, yung time ni Anna, okay? Yung time ni Anna, yung time ni Beth, at yung time nilang dalawa. So, yung together. Okay. Okay, yung time ni Anna is 5 hours. Okay? Si Beth naman, hindi natin alam kasi siya ang tinatanong. So, X. Represent natin yan ang X. Yung time nilang dalawa is 3 hours. Okay. Okay, so, again, kapag yung work problems is, gagamitan natin ng konsepto ng rate. So, ano yung rate nila? Okay? So, yung kay Anna is 1 over 5. Yung kay Beth, 1 over X. Sa kanilang dalawa 1 over 3. Okay, so kapag tapos na tayo sa representation, so gawa tayo ng equation. Okay, yung equation nila is yung rate ni Anna plus yung kay Beth is equals yung time nilang dalawa. Okay, together or both. Okay, so ano yung kay Anna? Yung rate niya 1 over 5. Yung kay Beth 1 over X, at saka yung kanilang dalawa is 1 over 3. Okay, yan. Okay, so since naka-fraction yan, kukuha tayo ng LCD. Paano nga ba kumuha ng LCD? So yung denominators nila ay 5, 3, and X. Okay, kuha tayo ng LCD. Okay, yung LCD ng 5 at saka 3, so 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on and so forth. Yung 3 naman, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, may nakita na tayo, 15. Okay? So, yung x, wala naman siyang ibang variable. So, isasabihin natin yung x. So, 15x yung LCD. 15x yung LCD. Okay? So, multiply natin both sides by 15x. Okay. So, 15x times 1 is 15x over 5. Plus 15x times 1, 15x over x equals 15x times 1, 15x over 3. Then simplify natin. Okay? Simplify natin. So, pwede natin ito i-divide. 15 divided by 5. Titira 3x plus. Ito, pwede natin itong i-cancel. So, matitira na lang 15 equals 15x divided by 3, yung 15 divided by 3 pwedeng 5x na lang. Okay? So, transpose natin yung 3x sa kabila. So, magiging 15 is equals to 5x minus 3x. So, yung matitira is 15 equals 2x. Okay? Divide natin both side by 2. Sagot natin dyan, x is equals to 7.5. Okay? 7.5. Okay. Kapag merong sa choices 7.5, siya yung sagot. Pero kung yung nasa choices is 7 and 1/2, okay, ganun din yun. Same lang din yun. Okay? Pero kung gusto natin ng more specific, yung 0.5, since 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes, okay, multiply natin yung 60 minutes sa 0.5. Okay? This is equivalent to 30 minutes. So, yung exact na sagot is 7 hours and 30 minutes. Okay? So, kahit ano po dyan yung sagot. So, naintindihan po? Okay. So, ito, long method ito. So, meron tayo ditong shortcut. Okay. Pansinin natin sa problem. Okay? Pansinin natin sa problem. Given yung oras nilang dalawa. Okay? Yung time together. Okay? Yung hinahanap is yung per individual time in doing a particular job alone. Okay? So, pag ganito, ang work problems, ganito yung shortcut. Okay? So, product over yung difference. Okay. Product ng alin? Product ng given. Ano ba yung mga given? 3 hours tsaka 5 hours. So, product ng 5 times 3 tsaka difference ng 5 minus 3. So, 5 times 3, 15. 15 divided by 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. Okay? Yan. 2. So, 15 divided by 2, sagot natin dyan, 7.5. So, same lang siya doon kanina. So, ito yung shortcut. Okay? So, let's answer the question. Okay. So, yung hinahanap natin dito is how long will it take them to finish the project together. Okay, baliktad naman. Kanina, yung problem, given yung time nila together. Okay, so dito, ito yung hinahanap. Kung yung kanina is product divided by difference, dito naman, kapag yung hinahanap is time nila together, so yung gagamitin natin ditong shortcut is product divided by the sum. Okay, product ng given. Ano ba yung mga given? 10 tsaka 8. Okay, so 10 times 8 tsaka sum. 10 plus 8. Okay, so 10 times 8, 80. 10 plus 8, 18. So 80 divided by 18, yung sagot, 4.44 hours. Okay, nasa choices ba? Okay, letter B. Okay, so yan po yung shortcut na gagamitin. Okay, so again, kapag yung hinahanap is yung per individual time working alone, product over difference. Kapag yung hinahanap is yung time nila together in doing a particular job, product over sum. Okay, malinaw po. Okay, so please try to answer these questions. Okay, so para magkaroon kayo ng idea o ma-practice pa yung skills nyo sa pagsagot ng mga work problems. Yan. Okay, so thank you.